Introducing the Hero Hand Truck. Our motto is saving one back at a time. When designing the Hero Hand Truck, we wanted to achieve two specific goals: make the job easier and lower the risk of back-related injury. If you're an individual, this tool will help you because it'll make a two-man job a one-man job. If you are a business with 2 or 25 employees, the money you will save in potential missed work due to injury or workers' compensation claims makes the purchase of this tool a smart choice. The Hero Hand Truck is made in the USA with quality craftsmanship and care. We use run flag-free tires, a lift belt instead of a high-maintenance chain or cable, and a safe braking winch. Also included is a top strap for confined areas where the tripod leg cannot be extended, and a safety strap to lock your product into position. The Hero Hand Truck will also disassemble to reduce weight for jobs with stairs involved. Now you don't have to carry 2 different hand trucks on your vehicle. Operation of the new Hero Hand Truck is simple if you follow these instructions. First, measure the height of the location where you want to place the water heater. Second, pull the pin and release the tripod leg. Place the water heater onto the Hero Hand Truck with the thermostat facing away from the hand truck. Failure to do so could impede the lift process and cause serious injury. After the water heater is positioned correctly, crank up the winch until the water heater reaches the desired height. Reference measurements on the side of the hand truck. Then use the safety strap to lock the water heater into position. Note: never try to winch the hand truck when the safety strap is tight. Then move the hand truck to the upright position and repin the tripod leg. When removing the water heater, turn the water heater so the thermostat is facing away from the hand truck. Remove the safety pin, extend the tripod leg, and strap the water heater. Move the water heater to the desired location. Unhook the safety strap and lower the water heater. When using the Hero Hand Truck in a tight location, the tripod leg can remain closed until you have the proper space to open it. This version of the Hero Hand Truck is multifunctional. Lift your heaviest loads with ease. You can lift your product to a stationary base or to the back of a vehicle. Do it yourself. No more searching for a helping hand. Lift beer kegs, paint buckets, appliances. The list is endless. Double stack products to save floor space. Unlike the original Hero Hand Truck, the M model will give you a higher lift, up to 31 inches. Avoid injuries. The Hero Hand Truck, the smart choice, saving one back at a time.